So I'm on the South West SWR rail placement service on the Aldermaston Coachlines, I believe. It's a private reg, so it's a 202 reg for some reason. On the ADL Enviro 400 MMC. These seats they are contained with seat belts for some reason. But let me know in the comments what they're in use for, because that'll be much interesting. So this was on, there was planned engineering works going on around the southwest of where I grew up, which is affecting trains going around the southwest today. So there are going to be many well-placed buses on. To be honest, I think this bus is decent. I think this has got to be the best company ever. Yeah, you got these good seats, they suit really good with the seat belts as well, and you've got USB socket underneath. Oh God, I hate people when they stare at me like that. Just don't understand, I'm just doing a commentary for this video. It's just people like that. And there's always mad traffic going around Clapham Junction. It always gets busy, especially on a Sunday. So I would like to hear what your thoughts on this comments of if you've travelled on this bus company before. Oh my God. And over there, oh my goodness, if you're not expecting this, it's an OWC Group Mercedes Satara. I just recently got that. Should have been waiting for that longer because I thought there was not going to be much X-Lander vehicles. But anyway, this is a non-stop service to Surbiton from Clapham Junction. I've got another OWC Group X Tower Transit, or maybe not. Oh yeah, I think it's an X quality line. I'm not too sure, but because this wind is depending on these windows where you can't really clearly see what's there. Just depending on these windows, they're not lit enough. These windows there like on some companies, they just, the winners looks a bit dark, if you know what I mean. It's not like as London buses, so I wouldn't tell if it's there's another bus coming behind. I should go more on well placements, to be honest, rather than just a normal route working for a change, because it stops at every stops and it gets a bit boring. It gets much interested to see if there's a non-stop service like a well placement or express bus route, because it'll be interesting to see if there was a driver flooring or going fast enough, or beast version, if you know what I mean. Anyway guys, I'm going to end the video now. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much and goodbye for now.